Congress candidate Rahul Gandhi, while addressing a rally in Ratlam, has accused Prime Minister Modi of aiming to undermine the constitution to consolidate power. He asserts BJP's intent to dismantle rights, including reservations, promising to bolster them instead. Rahul Gandhi has pledged to surpass the 50% reservation cap that was put in place by the Supreme Court to ensure adequate representation for the marginalized communities. He has criticized BJP's ambition, refuting their claim of winning 400 seats, predicting that they won't even exceed 150 this time. Gandhi champions the constitution as the guarantor of rights for Adivasis, backward classes and Dalits, vowing to safeguard against the BJP's alleged threats. Let's quickly listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said.
नरेंद्र मोदी चाहते हैं कि इसको परे किया जाए और उनका पूरा का पूरा राज हो और आपके जो अधिकार हैं वो आपसे छीने जाए। ये उनका लक्ष्य है और हम उनको रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। भाइयों और बहनों, चाहे वो पब्लिक सेक्टर हो, चाहे वो रिजर्वेशन हो, चाहे वो शिक्षा हो, स्वास्थ्य हो, जो भी आज आदिवासियों को, दलितों को, पिछड़ों को मिलता है वो इसके कारण मिलता है। और बीजेपी के नेताओं ने साफ बोल दिया है कि अगर वो चुनाव जीतेंगे तो वो इस किताब को बदल के परे कर देंगे। इसलिए उन्होंने 400 सीट का नारा दिया था। 400 सीट छोड़िए, उनको 150 सीट नहीं मिलने वाली है। उनके अलग अलग नेता कहते हैं कि हम रिजर्वेशन छीन लेंगे। रिजर्वेशन किससे छीनेंगे? आदिवासियों से, दलितों से, पिछड़े वर्ग से, इन लोगों से रिजर्वेशन छीना जाएगा।
All right, so there you heard it. My colleague Anand Singh also joins us on the broadcast. Anand, if you can take our viewers through what is the counter then that is coming in by the BJP on the statements that have been made by Rahul Gandhi.
Yes, soon after Rahul Gandhi mentioned in his public meeting in Madhya Pradesh, Ratlam, that how BJP plans to change the constitution and how they plan to end the reservation. He also mentioned that the slogan that the BJP is giving of 4 so far, it is basically meant to end the reservation and change the constitution. So these were the allegations that Rahul Gandhi made during his public meeting in Ratlam while showing a copy of the constitution to the people over there. So following the remarks by the Congress leader, the BJP have started hitting hard back at the Congress, saying that Congress will not get even more than the 30 seats in this elections as compared to what they have got in the 2019 election. So they are trying to ridicule Rahul Gandhi's comments that he made in Madhya Pradesh, Ratlam. Back to you, Pia.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.